Good morning. Today I am showing Saudi Zakat Fatoora competent bill templates for tax invoice and simplified tax invoice, credit notes, debit notes, etc. So let's see how we can do this one in Raintech VAT edition billing software. Here we can go to sale entry. Here we can go to sale entry. Now first we will create one invoice for simplified tax invoice. So how it is that? For that here it is already a option is there. You just click on that simplified tax invoice. Select any products over here. I select shampoo, one product, add and save and print. Now I will show you the PDF format. See, this is the PDF format, the simplified tax invoice, and here is the QR code. I will just zoom it and I will come down and I will show you the scan, how the scanner is working. There is an application is there from Saudi. This is the application. This is the application. I will scan it. I will show you. Scan QR code. And here you can see the result. Yes, the result is already came. See, this is the result properly. The QR code is scanned and the amount also you can see over here. See this amount 180 10.8 is the tax amount. This is the one. Okay, so I will resume it. This is the invoice format, simplified tax invoice. Next, I will create the tax invoice. For that, you just remove this option over here. Select any supplier, customer name over here. I just select the supplier name here, Vimal. Select like that, and same select same product. Add to cart, add and save and print. Now you will see the tax invoice. See, this is a beautiful tax invoice format after as per Saudi rules and regulations. See this one. If I can zoom it also, 200%, yeah, 150%. See, this is the format. It's a beautiful format. You can see in the bottom side also, including Arabic language also is there. And I will see scan this QR code now. This is the QR code scanner, and I will scan it. Scan this QR code. You can see the result over here. Exactly, it is came over here. See this the result, and you can see the bottom side. See, 180 total 190. 10.8 is the tax amount. See this one, a beautiful format as per Saudi rules and regulations. Now both I will do sale return. Yeah, let me see over here. Transactions. Here in the transactions, in the sales return, yeah, credit note. Sales return or credit note. So let's see. Select the last invoice which we created a tax invoice. For you can select over here. Automatically it will come 23rd one. And select over here product one, add, save, and print. See, this is the tax credit note. I will zoom it 150% so that you can see over here. This is the format, credit note, and you can see the down. Everything is there. And let me show you the scan. Our QR code scanner is there. This is the scanner. So let me scan it. This result over here, you can see over here the result, and credit note, you can see the tax invoice credit note. I will zoom out. This is the one, the beautiful one as per Saudi rules and regulations. Now let me sales return for the simplified tax invoice. Same format. Go there, select the date, and the 22nd one was the simplified tax invoice. Let me make it, add, and save it. Okay, and print. Automatically, this format will change automatically. So this is the format I can show you. I will zoom it 150%. This is the one. Let me scan it with this QR code. This is the QR code scanner. Let me scan it. See, the result will come over here in front of you. Yes, this is the result. So this is the way, and I can scroll down also, and here it is written any simplified tax invoice credit note. So purchase entry also I will show you, and debit note also I will show you right now. Here we go for purchase entry. Purchase entry over here. Select any supplier here. This is the supplier example, and I will select one product. For example, 100 piece I will purchase, add, and save. So just I'll do the purchase, and I will do the purchase return right now. Go to the transaction again. For all return, go to the transactions, and here is the purchase return and debit note. You can see over here, debit note. Select that supplier from where which product you want to sales return. This is 100 piece. For example, you are returning a 10 piece or something like that. Add it and save it, save and print. See, this is the debit note. You can see over here. I will zoom it to 150%. So this is the format. Beautiful format is there. Supplier name is there already, and QR code is there. I will scan this QR code also. The total amount is 1,000 rupees, 1,000 Saudi Riyal, and 56.6 is the tax value. Let me scan this one. Our QR code. Here is the QR code. See this one? Yes. Here you can see 1,000 Riyal is the sales return. Sorry, the purchase return means the debit note. Here also you can see the 1,000 amount, everything 1,000 Riyal and 56.6 the same. So this is as per I will zoom it, zoom down. So this is the bill formats which is as per Saudi Zakat Fatoora, and the Raintech Software Limited already incorporated all the needs as per Saudi regulations. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.